Hey guys, welcome to today's video where we visit the Delta One Lounge in the JFK airport in New York. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by the staff at the check-in desk where you have to show your passport and boarding pass. This is not sponsored, but just to give you some information on what Delta One is, it's a lounge that they describe as a premium destination offering unparalleled comfort, exclusive services, and a relaxing atmosphere tailored to elevate your journey. And let me tell you what, they delivered just that. So once you check in, you go over to the elevators and head up to the lounge where there is so much to see. We literally spent 8 hours here and I still didn't want to leave. Among the many services they have, you'll find these study or work pods that you can use and plenty of seating options. You'll also find a couple of coffee and tea stations around the lounge and so many amazing and attentive staff that can get you anything to drink. I got like 3 mimosas while my sister got hot chocolate and she said that it was delicious. I'm so sad I don't remember his name, but this employee was so sweet and amazing, came around and gave us this paper with everything you can find in the lounge, and he also gave us some information to make the most of our visit. Right over here, you'll find the main restaurant where we had lunch in, but had a bit of a situation that I'll discuss later in the video. And I'm going to show you the menu in a moment, so pause to read it if you can, despite the glare. Around the corner and various other corners of the lounge, you'll find these tablets where you can reserve different services such as the spa and showers, all of which are included and you don't have to pay extra for. I wasn't able to record inside the spa, but we did a 15-minute full body massage chair experience, which was amazing. And I also got a 10-minute neck and shoulder massage. Near the main dining room, you'll also find more food options if you're not in the mood for a sit-down meal and instead want to do a grab and go, as well as more seating options and pods. Past the grab and go stations, you'll find the wellness and spa area with different kinds of healthy drinks such as for detoxing and more. Bit of advice, the spa opens up at 12 p.m. and people rush over there to personally sign up for services since it's on a first come first serve basis. So if you go sign up as soon as they open, you'll have to start the service in a couple of minutes, if not immediately, and you won't be able to book at a later time unless there's already a lot of people signed up before you. As you can see, the lounge wasn't as packed since it was about 12 p.m., but by 4 p.m., all of these chairs were filled to the brim and it was bustling. Like, we even saw Kieran Culkin with his family from afar, of course, so keep your eye out for celebrities, but be respectful. Near the lounge entrance, there is an outdoor seating area, which is very pretty because of the greenery, but it was very hot out there despite the fans, so it was a quick visit. Okay, on to our dining experience. We had lunch at the sit-down restaurant, paused to read the menu, and the appetizers were delicious, but after we ordered our main plates, there was a power outage that messed up something in the kitchen, so they closed it for a bit while they assessed the situation. That's why we ended up eating at the grab-and-go section, but then we came back for dessert. And after a quick nap, I used their showers for a nice long shower and to apply my skincare before our long flight to Italy. You have to reserve the showers on the same iPad as everything else, and you'll get a text confirmation saying it's your turn. I'm pretty sure I had to wait like 30 minutes to be called, and as you can see, it's pretty stocked with slippers, towels, a robe, and toiletries. If you want your clothes pressed, you can put it in a hanger in this closet, and then on the other side, an employee will get to pressing them, so you'll have your clothes ready in time for after you shower. I instead did a face mask and tried out some Grace and Stella products that they sent over, such as an eye mask and a brightening stick that helped my eyes feel so refreshed and hydrated for our upcoming long flight. So thank you so much for sending these over, and I'll make sure to link the products down below with my discount code in case you want to check them out. Once our 8 hours at the lounge were up, we went to our plane. We sat in the Delta One area, which gives you access to the Delta One lounge. It has a spacious lie flat seats that come in clutch for these long flights, as well as exclusive amenities and a chef curated dining service while on air. I feel like this tour is pretty straightforward, so I'll just let you guys enjoy in silence. In case you can't tell, this dims and brightens the light at the bottom right, as well as the one by the headphones, which doesn't seem like it does a lot, but when it's almost pitch black and trying to take a nap, it makes the world of a difference. And even though these bags are usually kind of the same, I always love opening the toiletry bags and learning about the brands they include. Right before we took off, I was offered some sparkling wine and given the menu, so please enjoy all the meal options that were provided, and spoiler alert, they were all so delicious, and I will provide visuals in a few. Okay, here we have the mushroom soup, which was really good, some mixed greens and sourdough, as well as the smoked salmon roulade with cream cheese, fennel, and cucumber, which is simple but delicious. For the main course, I got the olive oil braised prime beef with mushroom pepper juice, cream corn, and grilled broccoli, and for dessert, I got the dark chocolate tart. And clearly, it was time for a food coma, and I woke up with an hour and a half left of the flight, so I washed my face and did my makeup in my seat while also enjoying some delicious breakfast and tea. Thank goodness I finished getting ready by the time we landed and ended the amazing dining experience with a little piece of chocolate, and then we were off to explore Rome! And that's it for today's video. If you want to see what we did during our time in Italy, make sure to stick around for the next couple of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!